Here are a couple things to keep in mind when listening to Square. Because Copyt integrates with both Square POS and Square Online, we have to work around a few things. So for Square Online, it will only show the variant options on your customer facing site when there's more than one variant listed. So for example, if I listed just one Supreme sock by default on Square, your customers would not be able to see the size option here because there's only one version of it. So what Copyt does is it will list a placeholder variant in addition to the size you listed from Copyt. That placeholder will have a quantity of 0, so it should not reflect in your online store. But if you're scanning it into your POS system, just make sure to not select the placeholder option. Otherwise, you will be selling an item for free, although it is out of stock. This is nothing to be alarmed about. This is only to ensure that that OS or the actual size option does appear on your online store. In addition to that, Square does operate with their vending style system. That way, if you have multiple quantities of one item, you'll see one is uploaded automatically to your website. The rest are only available in your POS system. That way, the customer still only sees one product for Supreme Hanes socks, but every unique Supreme Hanes socks with the OS variant is available to get scanned out through your POS system. No, again, nothing to be alarmed about. Copyt will automatically delist that sold out variant once it sells and replace it with the next in line, just like a vending machine operates.